This lesson is going to be all about the spine. You remember from the last lesson, you experienced what it was like to have a greatly mismapped spine and how stiff and stuck that felt. So let's take some time now to find out what your body map of your spine actually is. How do you think about your spine? You might want to take some time right now to draw it. Drawing is a great way to access your body map. Will you draw it from the front view, the side view, the back view? How would those be different? Also keep in mind, how big is your spine? What's it like? What does it do? All three of these things are part of your body map: size, structure, and function. And we will continue to refer to them throughout this series. Now you don't have to show anyone your drawing, but if you did and you looked around the room, you would notice that no two drawings are alike. And that is because body maps are individual and unique to each person. So the way I think about my body map, is very different from yours. Now let's discover the truth about our spines. How big is it? The top of the spine is right between your ears, way up there. And the bottom is at your tailbone. What's it like? Spines are segmented. There are 24 vertebrae in your spine. And notice that they change shapes and also get larger as they get lower. Between each vertebrae are cushy discs which give our spines a springy quality. Each vertebrae has two halves, so to speak. The round front half and the back half with the bony processes. Spines are curved. See if you can follow the curves of your spine by tracing them in the air, like this. Spines move. Stand up right now and try some of these movements. Spines bend, curl, and twist. Feels good, doesn't it? What is the function of a spine? What does it do? The back half of our spine houses and protects our spinal cord and nerves. The front half bears weight or delivers load. The lower we get on our spine, the larger the vertebrae, because they have to bear the load of the head and the thorax and anything we're carrying. Notice how far forward that part of the spine is. We will explore this more when we talk about the balance of the body. In upcoming segments, we will study the 6 places of balance. For now, here's a picture. And notice how these places of balance can be connected with a line down the middle of our bodies. We will explore this in detail, but for now, just notice that the weight-bearing part of the spine is in our middles, not along our back. Now it's time for some explorations. Draw your spine again. Compare it to your first drawing and discuss or journal about the differences. Trace the curves of your spine in the air. What do you notice? Palpate or touch the back of your spine, the spinal processes. Notice that these processes are just the tip of the iceberg. Your spine is much broader than this. Find or make a video that shows remarkable spinal movement. Share it with the class. continue to notice the many movements of your spine. Does knowing more about your spine change your movement?